So one of the biggest challenges a lot of people have with Canva is not being able to afford the subscription fee for the Canva Pro, which is why I've done a deep research to find Canva Alternative that is going to do the same thing that Canva does but totally for free. You don't even have to sign up. You just log in and start designing. So if you want to know about this platform and how to use it to create amazing design, then please, by all means, let's dive in. So here is the platform. I'm going to give you the name in a bit, but first, let me show you how it works. So here is templates. On template side, you'll be able to get different types of templates. So if you turn off this, you'll be able to get different designs, different sizes and all that, but we'll soon get to that. Then it has text where you'll be able to create your text. It has text similar to that of Canva. If you know Canva too well, you know that this is somewhat what Canva has as well. And then it has photos where you can be able to search any photo that you want, just like Canva. Again, it has different types of photos that you can actually search, and it's from unsplash.com, and the pictures are free, totally free to use. And then you have icons, different types of icons, logos and all whatnot. So you have all the icons here. You can search for anyone. If I go for Instagram, so it's going to give me Instagram logos. Yeah, so here is Instagram. So you can go ahead and search for anything you want. So here is the non-project. Non-project gives you the white form of the whole icon. Okay, so here is the non-project. And then this is icon finder. So it gives you different variations of a particular icon. So here we move over to shape. Here you see a lot of things that you can use for your designs. And then you have your uploads where you upload your picture, your logos and everything that you need to upload. And then background, it has the background that you can work with, any type of background that you want. You can choose just colors. You can choose colors. You can choose anything that you want here, and this. So this as a background, if you want to use this as a background, it's totally fine. And then layers, no element on this page. So if you have layers, this is where you control your layers, just like Photoshop, right? For those of you that know how to use Photoshop. And then here is resize. You can actually resize the canvas to any size that you want. You can resize it to full HD, YouTube channel, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook art, Facebook cover, Facebook post, Instagram ad, Instagram story, Instagram post. So these are the basic design format that it has. But if you have any other size in mind, the size that you want to create, you can easily come right here and put the size that you want. You can put anything that you want here and it will give you that exact size. I'm going to switch back to Instagram post, and one thing I love about this is that it has quotes as well. So if you want to do quotes, all you have to do is just click on this and it comes here. Then you can change the color. You can change the color to anything that you want. You want to do white, you come over to effect again. It has effects just like Canva, and we'll do background. And we can do opacity, reduce the opacity a little bit and turn this one to black so that it will be very visible. So here you have it. We'll have our background. So padding, if you want to pad it a bit, then color, we'll remove the color, and shadow, add shadow to it. We'll go over to QR code. You can actually generate a QR code. All you have to do is to copy a link and paste it here, and you'll be able to have a QR code. So let me just put a QR code to my Instagram account. So do www.instagram.com/7figureboss. All right, so here is the QR code. Click on add new QR code and voila, I have a QR code. So if you're watching this right now, you can go ahead and scan this QR code to join me on Instagram. How cool is that? So here is the QR code. You can easily generate QR code here. And then you have the AI generated pictures. This is one part that I love about this platform. So here you can generate AI pictures and it gives you 10 credits. Now the 10 credits is per use. So you can always open with a different browser or incognito mode, and you have more credits to use to yourself. So when you exhaust, you can open with another incognito browser and you have another 10 credits as well. I'm going to ask it to generate a cat riding a bicycle. So you click on generate, and now a cat riding a bicycle. Now this is a better version of this AI text to image. In another video, I'm going to be breaking down free platforms that you can use to do text to image. If you'd like to see that video, please let me know in the comment section and I will definitely do the video for you. And by the way, have you liked this video yet? Go ahead and like the video so that more people can see it and benefit from it. It also tells the algorithm that I have a good tutorial. So if you feel that this tutorial is helping you in any way, please go ahead and smash the like button. All right, thank you. So let's jump right back into it. So you can actually generate any picture, any kind of picture that comes in your head that you want to use for your design. You generate the picture and use it for your design. It's as simple as that. So right now, let me quickly jump over to the actual design. Let me make a quick edit of a particular design. So all I have to do is to select any template whatsoever. And for some reason, I just love something simple. So let's just say I want to do this. So here I have this right now. So all you have to do is to change the picture. You can replace the picture with any picture whatsoever. And again, it has background remover. So you can decide to remove the background, click on remove, and it's going to go ahead and remove the background for you. And remember, you don't sign up to this platform. You can always open it with another browser. So it's giving us 4 credits to have 5 credits to remove background. When you exhaust your credit, you can always open it up with another browser or the same browser, refresh and start the whole thing, the whole process again. So it's an amazing tool that you can use for free and have all the access that you could not have with Canva Pro. So here I'm going to click on confirm and I have this right here. So just drag this up. I think I like it better like this. So go over to effect, and you can add any effect that you want. If you want it blur or not, just go back and you can just add anything that you want right here. Depending on what you want to use it for, you can actually customize this to anything that you want. You can change the color and anything, just change the color to whatever you want. So just about the same way you do on Canva, and you have something great. So it's a cool way to start your graphics design if you don't have money to get Canva. And also the downside of this is that it doesn't have the save button. So whatever that you do here is not going to be saved because you're not logged into an account. So everything goes away once you finish your designing, so you can't come back to the design again. So what we can do in this situation, after you finish designing, you have to just hit on download, and then you can be able to increase to whatever size that you want. This is something that you cannot do with the free version of Canva. So you just slide it to whatever size that you want, resolution. Then you can also select this file type that you want, if it's JPEG, if it's PNG, and then you hit on download and it's going to go ahead and download like so. Then you click on open and you see your design, as you can see right here. So it's an amazing tool that you can use to actually do your designs without any limitations that you have on Canva. So you don't have any limitations. So the few limitations that I see here, like background remover, the AI generator and all that, the limitations that you see here, you can always open an incognito mode. Let me show you guys. So the website URL is studio.polotno.com. So we're going to copy it and then paste it, studio.polotno.com. I hope I got that right this time. Studio.polotno.com. You hit on enter and it's going to give you a fresh new everything. Fresh new AI generator and a fresh new everything. So if I click on AI generator right now and click on generate, you can see 10 credits here. And if I go back to my initial design and go to AI generator, click on generate, you see 7 credits. So that's just it. And if I want to remove a background or something, you can always remove your background unlimited just by using your incognito mode over and over. So if for whatever reason you still want access to Canva Pro, I've done a dedicated video on how you can get Canva Pro for free, entirely for free, for live. All you have to do is to just go right here, right now, to watch the video. Click here to watch the video and learn how you can get Canva Pro for free. Make sure you watch the video from start to end so that you don't miss anything, and follow the instructions. Do all that I asked you to do in the video and you get your own Canva Pro for free. I want you guys to have all these tools so that you can be able to use it to make money online. So go ahead and watch it right now and thank me later. I am 7 Figure Boss, and thanks for watching.